how to transfer cryptos from Blockfi to Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer cryptos from Blockfi to Coinbase. So in order to transfer cryptos from Blockfi to Coinbase, first of all, you need to go ahead and open up your Coinbase and then copy the wallet address. So you will be taken to the home page once you're logged in. So right on this page, all you have to do is just click on transfer. Then you'll be able to see a drop down menu. So select receive cryptos. After that, it's going to take you to the page where you need to select the cryptocurrency that you're actually receiving, and as soon as you select the cryptocurrency, you'll be able to find or locate the wallet address, so in the form of a link or in the form of a QR code. So either way, whichever is convenient for you, download that or copy the one. And after you're done copying the wallet address, exit out of your Coinbase and log in into your Blockfi account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. Now then, to begin with the transaction, click the try bar icon located in the top right hand side, and from the drop down menu, go to profile settings. As soon as you click on profile settings, under it, go ahead and select withdraw. As soon as you click the withdrawal button, next page, you'll be able to find markets under it, and from here you need to go ahead and select the cryptocurrency that you wish to transfer. So select the cryptocurrency. The next page, you'll need to enter the exact amount that you transfer, and also you'll need to provide in the destination or paste in the wallet address. Once you're done with that procedure, click the submit button. Lastly, you'll need to go through all of the information that has been provided. Then if you've provided a valid information, then click the submit button, and then you'll be notified with the statement that you've successfully transferred cryptos from Blockfi to Coinbase. So in this way, you can transfer crypto from Blockfi to Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.